We fucked up fundamentally. We made a fundamental design flaw. In the top level lookup tables section within the rotate touching by using lookup table, all of these are bullshit formulas. All of these formulas that we decided to use, they're all bullshit. Every one of these formulas is complete bullshit because rotating on a point around the origin in Cartesian space doesn't really have a direct analog to rotating these touching values. And so everything we did with these lookup tables here, they're all these lookup tables, they're all fucking wrong. And we're gonna fix all of our lookup tables in this section right here. All of these lookup tables, we're gonna fix them in a different video, but they're all fucking wrong. It's all bullshit math. In the top level helper functions, we have finished our rotation of a touching value section. Now, this function here is correct. It takes a touching value, a rotation enum, and spits out the rotated value. This math is correct, so we split up the touching value into x and y because we're using two lookup tables. So this math is correct, it's just that the lookup tables, these lookup tables, are wrong. All these lookup tables, they're wrong, they're wrong, they're wrong. We have to fix the values in them. But the way we're using them here to get a touching 2 value and then gluing those touching 2 values back together and then spitting out the rotated touching 4 value, that is correct. In our unit test that we've been working on, going down to the final section of our unit tests, we split up our lookup table right here into two sections. We duplicated it, pasted it here, and we created a clockwise version, CW, and a counterclockwise version. And then we referenced the counterclockwise version right here in our test. So our tests right now are using the counterclockwise version. We're always going to rotate clockwise now because since there's not a direct analog for what we're doing, clockwise seems the most artist-friendly way to rotate. We are failing this condition, so we're logging out some more information to figure out what's going on. We're not going to throw an error yet because I want to crash the server. And we have a little thing to tell us, you know, why things are going wrong. And then here's what we did previously. Here's all of our footnotes. And here's more footnotes and more footnotes. If you want an explanation as to what went wrong, you're going to have to go to the longer playlist. We don't have time here. Get the source code here. Like, subscribe, send money.